and welcome to this week's Boredom Busters. We're going to make a bird feeder today, a hanging one, so I'm just going to use some lolly sticks and some PVA and a bit of string. That's all you'll need for this one. So you just want to take your PVA and your lolly sticks. I've got coloured ones, but you can use them off your ice lollies. You could have a bigger one than I do because I've got quite small ice lolly sticks. And I'm just going to paint a little bit of PVA glue on either side and start to make a structure. Now this will be where the food is kept in the feeder, so it's just using 4 sticks and just layering them on top of each other. Now you could paint these sticks yourself, you can put them any colours you like, totally up to you. I'm using PVA here, but you can use whatever glue you've got at home as long as it stays together. Now you want to do what we've just done there, those 4 sticks over and over and over to give it some depth. So each time on each layer now, you'll be adding 2 sticks to either side. You can see with the red ones, and then we'll put 2 on top of them. Keep going. So you alternate the sides each time. Now depending on how deep you want your bird feeder to be, just keep adding more lolly sticks. This one's going to be fairly shallow. So in a moment, what we'll do is add the ledge for the little bird to sit on. To create the ledge, you want to get another lolly stick, place it central, just hanging forwards a bit, so you can start to build around that lolly stick that's sticking out. So I'm just going to add a few small layers on top of that, and then we're going to fill in the bottom so the food doesn't fall out of the feeder. So just popping those on to stop the food falling. And then you may see the purple one just to the side, and that is to start planning how the feeder is going to have its platform. So I've got 2 sticks there and some stronger glue, just popping a little triangle shape and then sliding them in whilst the glue's still wet, so you can move it around and make sure that it fits nice and tightly in. Add some string, hang it in a tree, and you're sorted a little miniature bird feeder. Pop some birdseed in there and take any pictures of your little friends that come to visit you and send them to us. See you next week!